Hey Toyota owners, if you drive a Camry, Tacoma, Highlander, Sienna, Avalon, basically any Toyota from 2016 to 2022, listen up, because I'm about to save you some serious cash on repairs. So maybe your check engine light's on, and you're seeing codes like P0420, P0430, or those super specific ones, P013A00 and P013C00. Your first instinct, or maybe your mechanics, might be to swap out an O2 sensor or even the catalytic converter, but hold up. Before you shell out big bucks, you need to know about this insider tip straight from Toyota. There's a tech tip buried in dealership databases. TT068622 if you want to get nerdy. It's not a recall and it's not an official TSB, it's just advice for techs, but it's gold. Here's the deal, codes like P0420 and P0430 are usually related to the catalytic converter's efficiency, while P013A00 and P013C00 are about the O2 sensor's readings. But what most people don't realize is that these codes can be triggered by something as simple as a tiny exhaust leak upstream of the O2 sensor. Here's why. When there's a pinhole in a weld or a bad gasket before the O2 sensor, extra oxygen from outside air sneaks into the exhaust stream. The O2 sensor picks up this extra oxygen and sends a signal to your car's computer, making it think the catalytic converter isn't working right, or that the sensor itself is faulty. The computer is basically being tricked by the false readings caused by that extra air. This misdiagnosis can lead you, or your mechanic, to believe you need a new catalytic converter or O2 sensor, which are both expensive parts. But if you skip a thorough exhaust inspection and just start replacing things, you could end up spending hundreds or even thousands of dollars for no reason. Here's what that could mean for your wallet. Replacing an O2 sensor typically costs a few $100s, while a catalytic converter replacement can easily run you $1,000 or more. That's a huge hit, especially if the real problem is just a simple exhaust leak. By checking for leaks first, you could avoid these massive repair bills and fix the issue for a fraction of the cost. That's why it's crucial to have your exhaust system checked for leaks, especially before the O2 sensor, before replacing any parts. Fixing a small leak can clear those codes and save you a ton of money. If you found this helpful, smash the like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment with your Toyota model and year. Let's help each other avoid those unnecessary repairs. Catch you in the next one.